This video is a creative derivative product from articles published in famous peer-reviewed journals and government reports. Blood-based cancer screening with AI. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. The incidence of cancer projected in 2023 was 1,958,310 and 609,820 cancer-related deaths in the United States. Early detection is important for successful cancer treatment. However, traditional cancer screening methods have limitations. Recent advancements in technology are providing the most effective cancer screening methods. Blood-based multi-cancer detection (MCD) assays with advances in imaging and artificial intelligence (AI) algorithms are able to detect cancer earlier. The Galleri test has shown some effectiveness in detecting early-stage cancers. Many cancers shed DNA into the bloodstream, which is commonly known as cell-free DNA or circulating tumor DNA. This DNA is usually shed as cancer cells die. Using DNA sequencing and machine learning, experts are able to use a single blood draw test to look at various patterns in that DNA code. The test helps to figure out two things: whether a cancer signal is present or not, the region where the cancer likely started. These patterns in DNA are possible due to the biological process methylation. During this process, the body expresses certain genes, and we can picture it like a wall of electric switches. For every switch we turn on, others might turn off, and different results can be found against different configurations. For example, a skin cell can have one configuration, while a liver cell will have a different one. Similarly, healthy cells will have one configuration, while cancer-affected cells will have a different one. If a cancer signal is recognized, the Galleri test can easily identify which organ system the cancer cell is likely to present with about 90% accuracy. However, the Galleri test also has a high rate of false positives, which can lead to unnecessary invasive tests and anxiety, which can be reduced by using AI. Age-based screening for cancer can lead to a large number of false positives and high costs. Using AI-based risk calculators to identify high-risk individuals could improve the accuracy of screening. The use of AI-driven approaches also can help in integrating traditional and new factors to assess cancer risk. This approach can be helpful in predicting an individual's future risk of breast or lung cancer by analyzing radiology images of non-cancerous tissue. To get efficiency in multi-cancer early detection, massive data would be necessary to provide sufficient information for good discrimination. AI-powered tools can help to analyze multi-cancer early detection data and significantly improve the accuracy of liquid biopsy or genetic data analysis. AI tools use integrating multiomic data and recognizing intricate patterns and associations of the data. Additionally, AI can seamlessly integrate analytical data with clinical information, providing more comprehensive health profiles. AI innovations and integrations have both health and financial risks. Their increasing availability raises both opportunities and obstacles. However, the continuous learning of AI means the continuous improvement of multi-cancer early detection, making it more accurate and objective. AI-based MCD screening will be effective in improving cancer screening strategies, increasing predictive power, and reducing unnecessary anxiety and medical workups. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.